Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I have given you all the answers of the poem Heartwood. So you will need to copy the questions from your book. You will get the answers here. And remember children, we are not going to do the exercise of appreciating the poem. Those answers are very long, so let's skip that. We will focus on understanding the poem. Answer 1. The speaker of this poem is a tree. The tree is addressing a woodcutter who has come to cut down the tree. Answer 2. In this context, the word open-hearted means wounded, hurt and open to pain and damage. Answer 3A. The speaker asks the cutter to put his ear to the bark so that he can try to hear the soft sound of the sap flowing inside the tree. Answer B. The speaker also requests the cutter to listen to the flutter of the tree's leaves and try to imagine the heartbeat of the tree. Answer C. In the third stanza, the speaker asks the cutter whether he would turn the living tree into timber if he would reduce the tree to a heap of logs and a pile of brash. Answer fourth. In the fourth and fifth stanzas, the speaker calls herself a world, a city of butterflies, and a country of creatures. She calls herself a world because, as a big and strong tree with her fruits, flowers, leaves, branches, and the different creatures that live in the tree and depend on her, she is a world in herself. She is a city of butterflies. As many butterflies must be visiting her, living near or in the tree. She is a country of creatures, as different kind of creatures live among her branches and root, such as birds, squirrels, and different kinds of insects. Answer 5. In the sixth stanza, the tree says that her world takes years to grow and seconds to destroy. She can be felled by an axe or a saw. The tree is mighty because she has grown big and strong over the years. At the same time, she is vulnerable as, in spite of her size and strength, a saw or an axe can break her down in a very short time. Answer 6A. The speaker asks this question because she is not sure whether she has been able to communicate her thoughts and worries to the cutter. It is a very important question. It is important whether the cutter can or cannot hear the question, because only if he hears what the tree has to say can he decide to not cut it down. Answer B. To really hear the words of the speaker, that is, to understand the concerns and fears of the speaker, the cutter needs patience, kindness, and imagination. He needs to stop and think about how beneficial the tree is to different creatures. He needs to see and imagine how strong and beautiful and important it is. Then only can she realize the things that the tree is saying and decide to not cut the tree. He cannot actually hear the tree speak. So children, we are not going to attempt appreciating the poem even though I have written it. Let's leave it out for this. And write it down in your copy. And don't forget to draw margins after every answer. Thank you.